They say you're the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Think about that for a second. Who's around you? Who are you letting into your energy, your time, your thoughts? Are they pushing you forward, or are they pulling you back? The truth is, success isn't just about what you do, it's about who you're doing it around. If your friends waste time, make excuses, and laugh at ambition, you won't even realize when you start becoming one of them. You start lowering your standards to match theirs. You stop dreaming big. You settle. But winners, real winners, they do the opposite. They surround themselves with people who think big, people who make them uncomfortable in the best way, people who challenge them, inspire them, and make them want to level up. You want to grow? Change your circle. You want to build something meaningful? Start by building better relationships. If you're always the most driven person in your group, it's time to find a new group. Because growth doesn't happen in comfort. It happens when you're around people who don't let you stay small, people who call you out when you're slipping, people who remind you of your potential when you forget it yourself. So stop holding on to friendships that are rooted in your past. Start connecting with people aligned with your future. This isn't about being better than anyone else. It's about being better than who you were yesterday. Protect your energy, value your time, choose your circle wisely, because your circle is your future.